What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll show you how to install Corvus 8.5 on your Redmi K20 Pro, and I already made a review video of this ROM. You can check the I button or the description box. So don't waste time, let's boot. So as you can see that now I'm running on Mortal OS RC13 and I am switching to Corvus OS 8.5 from it. So first you have to power off your phone. If you are in MIUI, then you just have to do the same. After powering off, just hold the volume up and power button simultaneously until it's turned on into the recovery. So here I am using the Orange Fox recovery with the latest version. After turning on into the recovery, you need some files to download whose link I already given in the description box, so go and download it first. So in Orange Fox recovery, first you can take a backup of your current ROM. So if you are coming from the MIUI for the first time, then you should keep a backup of it. Then you just have to go to the wipe section, then select Delvik, Cache, System, Vendor and Data, and just swipe to wipe those. So after wiping this partition, if you want your phone as a clean and fresh one, then just go to the menu, then manage partition, then data, and click the format data and then type yes, and it will format all of your internal data. After that you need those downloaded files. So here I am using a OTG pen drive to store those. You can also do it, or you can also store it in internals. After that you have to locate those downloaded files. So first you have to flash the latest vendor of your device. So here I am flashing 12.0.1.0, but the latest one is 12.0.2.0. so you can flash that too. So after flashing vendor, you just have to wipe Delvik and Cache and again go back to the downloaded file location. Now here you can flash two types of ROM. One is with GApp and another one is without GApp or vanilla version. So you just have to select the ROM and flash it. I suggest you to flash the with GApps version because it provides Google and the Play Store support, and without this I think there is no use of your phone. After flashing both kind of ROM, again you have to wipe the Delvic and cache. Then you have to flash the disable DM variety force encryption files in both cases. But if you want your phone as a encrypted one, then no need to flash the DFE, but that time you have to format your internal data from the managed partition. But I am not formatting the internal, so that's why I am flashing the DFE. After flashing the DFE, just reboot your phone. So as you can see, the Corvus logo has come and my ROM has successfully flashed in my Redmi K20 Pro device. So I followed the developers given process, and you can also follow this, and you can also check the website for the process. But if you did anything wrong, then don't blame me. I hope this video will help you to install the Corvus OS 8.5 on your Redmi K20 Pro. So if you guys like the video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.